The design principle of proportion is about the size of one element in relation to the size of another aspect of the layout. Proportion is always relative. An element can be in proportion to the page or screen size it is on. Using elements of the same size, but on different sizes of paper or screen, can dramatically change the visual impact of a layout. Or, an element can be in proportion to another element on the same layout. Proportion is one of the more subtle design principles, and it can be challenging to get right. Proportion can also impact other design principles such as dominance, alignment, and emphasis. It can sometimes feel natural to make an element bigger on a layout. New designers can often feel a need to fill every space. This can make a layout feel busy and congested. Altering the proportion of elements relative to each other can give elements visual space and be less cluttered to the eye. However, poor use of proportion and too much white space around elements can make a layout feel disconnected and lack dominance or emphasis. Using different proportions of the same element can also make a page more dramatic and achieve visual interest. Experiment with the proportion of different elements. Graphic designers will often use proportion as a means of creating eye-catching layouts.